Hello, I'm Chano. I'm a big fan of Marvel's Avengers. I like Cap the most. So, after watching Hacksmith's video, our team decided to make an item from the Avengers. In Avengers Infinity War, Captain America receives a new shield known as the Wakanda shield. Yes, this shield right here. Shield can not only expand but also be used for both defense and offense. So today, we'll find strong materials around us and try to make Captain America's Wakanda shield ourselves. Of course, it's not just going to look like the Wakanda shield, but it'll actually unfold using engineering. So today, Namo will help us make the Wakanda shield. The shield is made of a material called vibranium. Since vibranium doesn't exist in reality, we'll make the shield using iron, which is a strong material we can get our hands on. But before using iron, we'll make a prototype out of wood to ensure the mechanism works properly. The center pops up and the shield spreads out. Now, after refining the details a bit more, we'll proceed to process the iron.
Heading downtown to cut the iron plate.
We made a prototype with MDF. And now Namo has processed the iron plate.
What should we use to attach this? Glue.
It easily come off.
What about welding?
But it takes time.
I think using VHB tape would be fine.
Ah, yeah.
Because even building exteriors are held together with it. The tape is that strong.
From what I saw in a video, it's even stronger than rivets.
Wow.
Oh, steel here.
There were several ways to attach this steel plate, but we chose VHB tape. It was cut very straight.
If we push air into here, and if we push air into here,
Yes, we've completed Captain America's Wakanda shield. It's really heavy. It's heavy enough to be a dumbbell. This is how it looks. The movie design is recreated just like it is. It's much heavier and sturdier than the wooden prototype. The combination of black and silver is beautifully arranged. As you can see, it's equipped with bends. This is a carbon dioxide cartridge. It's a device used to expand the pneumatic cylinder inside the shield. As you can see, there are two. When you press this cartridge, wow! The shield opens like this. What happens when you press the other button? Wow! The shield retracts, looks amazing. Shall we try blocking something while it unfolds?
Let's try throwing something towards the throat.
The throat, starting in 3.
I don't really care. I'll throw it at my own tempo.
3, 2, 1.
This part completely exploded. Let's try with a water balloon. First up, number 1. The orange one!
Ah, this one looks like... Okay.
3, 2, 1.
G1. Are you busy?
Come on in. Come on in.